How to pin chat in WhatsApp. Pinning a chat in WhatsApp keeps the conversation at the top of your chat list so you can find it quickly even if you receive new messages in other chats. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Here, scroll down and find the chat you want to pin. Then, long press the chat. On the top of the screen, you will be able to see pin icon. Tap the pin icon at the top of the screen. The chat is now pinned to the top. And here, you can pin up to 3 chats on WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.